In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your customer records using Zoho Books, an excellent tool for small business owners seeking organization and efficiency in their financial operations. Now let's get started with the first step in our process. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Zoho Books' website. If you're new to this platform, Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting software that helps you track transactions, manage invoices, and streamline your accounting tasks. Once you land on the website, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one with your email and a secure password. Zoho Books offers various pricing plans, so choose the one that best fits your business needs when you're setting up your account. After logging in, the next step is to head over to the Sales section. This is an integral part of the Zoho Books workflow, as it allows you to manage your customer interactions and sales transactions. Once you're in the Sales section, you'll want to click on Customers. This page is where you can view all of your customer information, a crucial feature for keeping your business organized and making sure you have quick access to customer details when needed. Now let's talk about adding a new customer. Click on the New button. This takes you to a form where you'll input the customer's information. This includes their name, contact details, and any other essential information that can help streamline your interactions and transactions with them. It's always a good idea to have as much information as possible so your records are complete and up to date. Within this new customer form, you'll also find a section labeled Other Details. This part of the form allows you to define specific information about the customer, including their opening balance. The opening balance is critical for keeping accurate financial records, especially if this customer has existing transactions that need to be accounted for. Moreover, if your business deals in multiple currencies, there's an option here to set the preferred currency for that particular customer, which can make managing transactions significantly easier if you're dealing with international clients. After entering all the relevant details, review the information carefully. Double-check the accuracy, particularly the financial details, as these will impact your business accounts. Once you're satisfied, save the customer profile. It's as simple as that. Your customer record is now updated and should be visible on the main Customers page. By following these steps, managing your customer records in Zoho Books should become a more streamlined and efficient task, helping you keep your business running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of using Zoho Books.